Hey, today we're going to talk about a few different things. We're going to talk about freedom. Okay? Because some of you think you're free. You're like, I got this really nice bracelet on. It fits me really comfortably. And I'm familiar with this really nice bracelet. I've worn this bracelet for a really long time. I know what to expect, and I am comfortable and familiar with it. And the bracelet you are wearing is this. It's a bracelet of familiarity, familiarness, and comfort. Say comfort. Let's say familiarness. And that's the bracelet you're wearing. And you're like, man, I really feel good wearing this bracelet. And familiar. And when you do something that's comfortable and familiar over a long period of time, you're essentially chaining yourself to the same situations, the same circumstances, the same people, places, and things. And by doing that, by chaining yourself to the same situation, you are limiting your growth. When you limit your growth, you are essentially stagnating yourself. So I want this to be kind of a wake-up call for you and everyone else who is watching this video. If you feel stagnant, if you feel like you're not growing, if you feel like you're doing everything right, but you feel stagnant and you're not growing, maybe what you're doing is something that's just comfortable and familiar. And if you stay in that comfortable and familiar pattern, how will you grow? So ask yourself, what do you want to do? Here's a way I think you could get out of this situation. Okay. If you're comfortable and familiar, how can you get out of this situation? Okay? That's really quick. Let's say do a few things and frame this as a question. So ask yourself, who am I? Once you ask yourself, who am I and what is my mission? Then the next thing that's really, really important that will help you break these chains is this. It's one chain, and that's this. Can you guess what that is? I think you know what that is. How do you break the chain? I think you know where this is. You do this. Action. You take action. Ask yourself, who am I? What is my mission? Know yourself so you can be yourself. And take action. What will happen next? But what does action help you do? Action eliminates fear. So that's it. Quick overview. If you feel stuck, if you feel trapped, if you feel like your life is going nowhere, maybe you're trapped by familiarity, familiarness, and comfortability. If so, take a day off, ask yourself, who am I? What is my mission? Know yourself so you can be yourself. Once you determine your mission, this will enable you and empower you to get clarity, which will help you to get greater focus. With that focus and your mission, take action. Action eliminates fear. Anyway, I hope this has helped you. If you'd like to get more strategies on self-development made simple, simple strategies that are powerful and effective that you can use to change your life in 5 minutes or less, visit my website, chriskemp.com, KRISKEMP.com. Am I Tony Robbins? No. That guy is a genius and he is amazing. Tony Robbins is great. I'm kind of like Tony Robbins with a lower credit score, maybe like a homeless version. Anyway, chriskemp.com, self-development made simple. Have an awesome day and God bless you.